Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Steam and confirming contact details. This avoids lockouts later. Once signed in, go to Settings, then Account, and open Manage Steam Guard. This is where the two-step process lives. Make sure your phone number and a backup email are accurate, because Steam can send codes or recovery links. Next, select the Mobile Authenticator option for the app method, or choose email codes if you prefer. Start the setup now. Do not skip verifying your contacts. You should install the Steam mobile app and sign into the same account. This pairs your phone as the authenticator. Once in the app, follow the prompts to add the authenticator. Scan the QR code or type the setup key manually. After activation, Steam starts a 7-day trade and market cooldown. That's a security delay to protect you. Also, copy and securely store recovery codes or add another trusted device. These steps help prevent permanent lockout if you lose your primary phone. You finish by entering the 6-digit code shown in the Steam mobile app into Steam. This confirms and completes activation. Once done, test signing in from a separate device to ensure codes arrive and email verification works. Make sure your backup email receives messages and that recovery codes are stored offline. If something goes wrong, use a saved recovery code first. If recovery codes aren't available, contact Steam support and provide account proof. Screenshots of
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.